Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you the incubator and also explain its working. So this is incubator and you are watching its display. All the conditions are displayed on its screen as it is fully automatic incubator, so we can adjust its conditions according to our environment. All types of bird eggs can be hatched in it, like ducks, geese, quails and turkeys. So in this incubator we have kept 50 eggs of hen and set the instructions according to requirement, as the temperature is 37 to 38 and humidity is 50 to 60 RH. An important part of incubation process is turning or rotation of the eggs. Eggs must be physically turned to prevent the developing chicks from sticking to the shells. The process of turning is automatic in this incubator, as the requirement of incubation is different for different eggs, so we need to adjust them according to requirements. Before the incubation of eggs, we should check the fertility of eggs. If the egg is fertile, so the development start, otherwise there is no development in eggs. We should also check the developmental process regularly by the process of candling. Candling is a process in which light is used to see the development in eggs. If some eggs don't undergo any developmental stage because of its infertility, then you should remove them from the incubator without waiting for 21 days. Chicks will typically hatch at day 21. Let the chicks hatch on its own. A chick can take up to 24 hours to complete its hatch. Once the chicks are dried after hatching, they can be moved into the brooder. If there are some still unhatched eggs at day 21, don't despair. It is possible that timing or temperature went slightly awry, so give the eggs until day 23.